Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome to the Elli family. Today, as you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be taking out my hair extensions. Now, some of you have saw my Vlogmas and you saw when I got them, which was right at the beginning of December. They've grown out quite a lot, and I can try and show you. So the top of this one is here, and it's grown out like that much, which is quite a lot. And yeah, so I've had altogether about 3 fall out, which is a normal thing. Some do fall out, but it was actually only this month, so it wasn't that meant like wasn't straight away or anything. So 2 of them fully came out. I should have one here for you. Okay, this is one of them, which is the most recent one that's fallen out. This one actually fell out, and it kind of like, there's a bit of, okay, so I've got 2 with sitting in front of me. They're both curly as well. So this one came out, actually I think it's almost like right at the end of December. Yeah, this one's curly from then, because I curled my hair for my birthday. So this one, you can see if I show you, still has got the bit of metal sticking up where the Nano and the hair goes in. So there's how small the Nano is. And then this one is the one that fell out this week, and is also curly because I did my show this week. So some of most of you know that watch my videos. I was in a show that finished yesterday, which was Sunday the 28th, by the way. Yeah, and which is why I want to take them out now, because they're so scraggly, and I haven't washed my hair in about 4 days, which is a bit mean, but it's because I have been curling it every day, using heat protectant. So it's got like 4 lots of heat protectant, 4 lots of hairspray, dry shampoo and everything. So it's feeling really, really horrible and like rough and strawy. But what I was saying is, with this one, as you can see, this one fell out recently, and for some reason, if it focuses, it didn't, the little, like the full thing didn't come out. The bit of the metal bit you can see isn't there, and nor is the Nano. And I felt in my hair where I thought it came from, which is like at the back where the other 2 came from as well, like kind of at the back on the bottom. It's actually still in my hair. I'll find it when I start taking them out. So yeah, literally just the metal bit and the Nano is still in my hair from that other one. So I'll show you them next to each other, hopefully, if you can see. So yeah, that's fun. But yeah, so when I get to that point, I will take it out. Okay, so I have my clippies. I've never had extensions before either, like what, Nano extensions before. I can't even speak. So this is new to me. I just thought I'd film it for you for the first time. I haven't brushed my hair today, and I probably won't, like, until I wash my hair after I take these out. I should probably wash them and then take them out, but to be honest, I can't be bothered, and I just want to take them out so I can wash my hair like really properly, like thoroughly and stuff. So I'm using these clippies today, and I probably won't use hairband. Right, so basically I did my research on how to take out Nano hair extensions as well. So people said to use basically pliers, because they are just basically metal. So then originally the little Nano beads are round, and when you have the bit of hair, it goes through the Nano, and then they get pliers and squish them closed, and it clamps onto your hair, obviously. So basically, to take them out, you just basically do it the other way around. I'm going to practice on this one probably first, just so I kind of, it's probably going to be really awkward as well. Not sure if I'll be able to do the back ones on my own, but how awkward is this? Probably so awkward. I'll try that in a sec. But ones to use are ones like these. Other ones you can get are like these ones, which are, I don't know if you, yeah, are like these ones where they are flat nose pliers, but they have this bit here is actually cut, like it does cut, and you don't want to accidentally cut some of your hair off. So I would use these ones like this, because they don't have the cut, like the blade bits here. But yeah, so they do the same thing though. So those ones I use for my beading ones, and then these ones are just normal everyday ones. These are my dad's because I don't have any other ones. So but I've got these ones as well, which are the same, flat, but they curve. So I'm not sure. I'll probably just start with these straight ones. But yeah, so I'm gonna like try and see if I can get this. I don't know how hard this is gonna be. Oh, okay. And basically you can see now that it is, it basically just broke it and shattered it, kind of thing. So half of it is there and then half of it is there in my hand. So that was pretty easy, but it's just awkward to kind of maneuver it, if that makes any sense. But I'm just gonna get on with it, and hopefully you'll be able to see. This side is probably easier to see because I have my ring light up there. You can kind of see that side as well, but yeah, so yeah. Hey guys, so I didn't record much, as you saw, just because it takes a very long time. So I started about 4:10-ish, I think, and it is now nearly 6:15, and it's not quite halfway, but it's mostly halfway. It's kind of like here, kind of thing. And this is all the hair that I've taken out. Beautiful, it was here. And it does feel very strange, like when I do this, it's like, it feels, I can really feel, because where I got used to it at first, when I first had them in, it felt really heavy and stuff like that, so I got used to it. But now I've got half in and half out, it literally, my hair just feels really like a thinner, because obviously you have more hair, so it's thicker, so it feels thinner and just like really like lightweight, and just like I'm floating on clouds. It's really strange. But yeah, so this is like what it looks like at the moment. So I've done all of this. So yeah, I've come across like a few greys as well, and I don't like it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to washing my hair and that later. But yeah, so I'll continue and show you what it looks like at the end. Hey guys, so as you can see, it's all out. Oh my gosh, it literally took 5 hours. So I started at about 4:10, and it's now 9:15. Yay! I'm so happy that that's done, to be honest. Like, I'm not even joking, I've got all this hair right here in front of me. I don't even know what to do with it. I'll probably just like grab some of these, like, you know, these little rubbery elastic things, and bunch them up together and put it somewhere. I'm not really sure where. But yeah, yeah, oh my gosh, like my hair, it just feels so lightweight and just kind of like I'm on clouds. I think I said that before, didn't I? But I just like looking at it and think it's so weird to have short hair again. It's so weird, but it has grown like this much or something, I'm not sure, but yeah. And it's gonna look, it should look better as well, because obviously when they put extensions in, the salon puts extensions in, they feather your hair, or they like basically cut your hair into the extension. So because my hair was very blocky, so if you, those you don't know, basically I didn't really have any layers in it. It was kind of very all one length kind of thing. So and I now have layers in. I've got like glue and weird stuff all over my fingers, which I need to obviously wash my hands, but I'll sort this hair out here, and then I need to have a shower. I can't wait to wash my hair, and it will look so much better and feel much better, because it still feels very strawy. But that's because of all the dry shampoo and all the hairspray and all that stuff since Thursday or Friday. So but yeah, so yeah, and oh my gosh, like my hair actually feels like ridiculously thin. Got this little mini ponytail, like really thin, it's crazy, like, but because I did it myself, and where some of the glue had stuck to my natural hair, this is going to look so bad. I don't even know if I'm going to put this in, but this is my natural hair that came out with the extensions. So all the dots in it are like the little what's it called, the little nano bead things. But this is all my hair, guys. This is actually, there's a few strands in there, that's the extension, but this is all my hair, which is kind of scary to think. But yeah, I just thought I'd put that in there for you. But you know, I don't know, it should feel better once I have washed it. I'm gonna show you, I might pick the camera up and show you actually. This is all the hair, the little nano things. I've tried to keep them all up one end and lay them on top of each other. I did a Snapchat as well, so I did some before and afters and stuff on Snapchat, and during or whatever. So if you want to go on Snapchat to have a look, they're still up now because they're fairly recent. So it's Sarah Elli XX. But yeah, so this is all the hair. This is just crazy. It looks so good here, like all the waves and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna put elastics on that, and to keep it nice. Not that I will probably, you know, put them back in again, I don't know, but I don't know, what do I do with it? I paid for it, but yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be fun and interesting to do. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Well, kind of, it started off as one, and I show you before and after and stuff of my hair. I'm gonna go and wash my hair, sort this out and wash my hair. But yeah, if you have any like questions or anything, just leave them in the comments below and I'll reply to you if I've missed anything out. But yeah, so yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and hope it helped somewhat.